Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we will create our About Us section. So let's see how is the design for About Us section. So this is the website which I have already created. So this is the About Us section. This will be the main title. Then this will be the subtitle and there will be a paragraph and there will be one video. Okay. And if you want to see the responsive, so this is how the responsive section look like. Okay. So this we will create for our website, right? So let's start. First, I will create all the HTML part. Then in the next lecture, we will do the styling. Okay. So let me first write a comment about us section. Only we can keep about us. First, I will take a section tag and inside we will have an h2 tag. And what is the title for that? Tailwind video I have done. Okay. Let me paste it here. Save this. Then after this, I will take a div and inside I'll take one more div and then we will have an h1 tag which is about me. Okay, so as you can see, this is the about me. Then we will have a paragraph. So let me copy this, and after this h1 tag we will have the p tag, and I'll paste the text which I have copied. And after this div we will take one more div. So here I will add one more div and inside we will have a p tag, okay, which says, let me go to the website which I have created. So this is the text which I want. Okay, I'll paste it here, save this. Then we need a video, okay, YouTube video. So I'll take a dummy video. So let's go to YouTube and type in dummy video. So this is the dummy video, okay. Let's click on share and copy the embedded code and paste it here, okay. And let's save this and let's check it in the browser. Let me close this. So here, as you can see, we are having the main title, which is this one. Then we have about us and paragraph, about us and about me and paragraph. Then we have a p tag and a video. Okay, so we have completed the HTML for our about us section, and in the next video I will create the styling for this. But before that, let me add some comment that this is the left section and this is the right section, so you will get an idea. So here I will write left section, left about us. Okay, and let's add a comment, and this will be the right section. So right about me section. Let's save this. So now you will get an idea. This is left section and this is the right section. Okay, so this is it. Let's say this is the main content. Okay, this is the main div. So do I need to add a comment, or is it fine? I think it's fine. This is left and this is right and this is the main div. Okay, so this is it for this video and I'll see you in the next video.